How do plastic impact wildlife health? As you may already know, plastic pollution has become a global crisis. We now live in a plastic era where the clothes we wear to the car we drive are made from plastic. Our planet is currently fighting against plastic pollution that exists everywhere. Even scientists have predicted that by 2050, the ocean will contain more plastic than fish. Fun fact, plastic doesn't just kill animals, they also reduce the world's oxygen. A study released in the journal Communication Biology found that plastic in the ocean also harms Prochlorococcus, the marine bacteria responsible for producing 10% of the world's oxygen. Before we solve a problem, we must be aware that the problem exists. That is why in today's video, I want to show you how plastic has a deadly effect on wildlife health and give you another reason to reduce your plastic consumption. Mistake plastic for food. Plastic breaks up into tiny pieces over time in the sea, which are then consumed by fish and other sea animals. According to the New York Times, studies suggest that some marine animals don't just accidentally eat plastic, but they seek it out. That is because plastic can absorb aquatic odor, making them smell uncannily like food to some fish and bird species. But the sad thing is that when these animals eat plastic instead of real food, they also get a dose of chemicals such as PCBs and heavy metal that the plastic absorbs from the environment. Fun fact, even if you live hundreds of miles from the coast, the plastic you throw away could enter the ocean. Every day, around 8 million pieces of plastic make their way into the ocean. According to Greenpeace, more than 1 million seabirds and 100,000 marine mammals are killed annually from the plastic in our ocean. Research from Plymouth University also found that more than 90% of all birds and fish are believed to have plastic particles in their stomach. Summary: for wildlife such as fish, dolphin, seabird, and seal, plastic can be deadly as they become entangled or mistaken for food. When they inject plastic or microplastic, it can take up space in the gut and digestive system, leading to reduction in feeding signal. Entangled in plastic. Entanglement of marine life is a problem because those entangled animals may run out of air or starve to death due to the restriction of those objects. Many marine animals like sea lion, dolphin, or sea turtle often get entangled in plastic as they swim by or while on the beach. Fun fact, entangled not only from plastic, abandoned objects such as fishing gear, rope, or commercial gear also find their way into the marine environment, causing the death of hundreds of thousands of marine and sea turtles. While big marine animals sometimes suffer and die from fishing gear cutting into their flesh, smaller marine animals may drown immediately if the gear land on them is too large. If you see an animal that appears entangled, you can contact your local responder via the National Entanglement Response and Stranding Network for immediate help. Summary: when animals become entangled in plastic, they can drown, starve, or choke to death. Marine mammals don't understand the danger that plastic poses to them. This problem was created by humans and only humans can fix it. Quick takeaway. Fun fact, plastic toothbrush is one of the top contributors to plastic waste in our ocean today. About 4.7 million toothbrushes end up in our ocean every single year. The modern plastic never fully biodegrades. It can break down into smaller microplastic, where marine life and birds mistake them for food. Even worse, plastic pollution can cause animals to entangle, making them drown, starve, or choke to death.